It fires 300 rounds during the siege of Sevastopol.
War has always been a testament to human ingenuity, for better or worse. Throughout history, engineers and scientists have pushed the limits of technology to create weapons of unimaginable power. These weapons are a reflection of both the brilliance and the destructive potential of humanity. Today, we dive into the most unbelievably powerful weapons ever used in combat. Buckle up, because this is a journey through raw firepower, engineering marvels, and the sobering lessons they teach us. First on our list is the Tsar Bomba, the most powerful nuclear bomb ever created. Detonated by the Soviet Union on October 30th, 1961, over Novaya Zemlya in the Arctic Ocean, this colossal weapon yielded an almost incomprehensible 50 megatons of TNT. Originally designed to produce 100 megatons, it was scaled down to limit fallout and destruction. To put that into perspective, that's over 3,000 times the power of the bomb dropped on Hiroshima. When the bomb detonated, its fireball was visible from over 1,000 kilometers away, and windows shattered as far as Norway. Its mushroom cloud reached heights of over 60 kilometers, piercing the stratosphere. This single test served as a grim reminder of the ultimate destructive potential of nuclear weapons. Next, we have the GBU-43B, better known as the Mother of All Bombs, or MOAB. This massive ordnance air blast bomb is the most powerful non-nuclear weapon in the U.S. arsenal. First used in combat in 2017 during an operation in Afghanistan targeting ISIS militants, the MOAB weighs over 22,000 pounds and is guided by GPS for precision strikes. Upon detonation, it creates an immense pressure wave capable of clearing everything within a 1-mile radius. Unlike nuclear weapons, the MOAB is designed to destroy underground bunkers, fortified positions, and cave networks without leaving lingering radiation. Its psychological impact is nearly as significant as its physical destruction, serving as a symbol of tactical superiority. The AC-130 Gunship is a flying fortress of destruction, combining firepower with precision. Originally developed during the Vietnam War, this heavily armed aircraft carries a 105mm howitzer, the largest gun ever mounted on a plane, a 40mm Bofors cannon, and 25mm Gatling guns. Its ability to loiter over battlefields for extended periods allows it to provide close air support to ground troops and annihilate enemy positions with surgical accuracy. Over the decades, it has been upgraded with advanced targeting systems, infrared sensors, and precision-guided munitions, making it one of the most feared weapons in the skies. The M1 Abrams main battle tank is a true masterpiece of modern engineering. Entering service in 1980, it has undergone numerous upgrades to maintain its edge on the battlefield. Armed with a 120mm smoothbore cannon capable of firing advanced kinetic energy rounds, the Abrams can take out enemy tanks at long ranges. Its Chobham composite armor provides exceptional protection against anti-tank missiles and shaped charges. In addition to its firepower and durability, the Abrams is powered by a gas turbine engine, allowing it to reach speeds of over 40 miles per hour, even in rugged terrain. Its combat record spans conflicts from the Gulf War to Iraq, proving its effectiveness time and time again. The AH-64 Apache helicopter is an icon of modern military aviation. Introduced in the 1980s, it was designed for one purpose: to dominate the battlefield. Equipped with a 30mm M230 chain gun, Hellfire missiles, and advanced targeting systems, the Apache is capable of neutralizing tanks, armored vehicles, and infantry with pinpoint accuracy. Its advanced avionics, including night vision and radar, enable it to operate in all weather conditions and engage targets day or night. The Apache's fearsome reputation has made it a cornerstone of U.S. Army operations for decades. During the height of the Cold War, the U.S. introduced the Davy Crockett Tactical Nuclear Recoilless Rifle, a weapon as unusual as it was terrifying. Designed for frontline use, this portable system could launch a nuclear warhead with a yield of 10 to 20 tons of TNT up to 4 kilometers away. Intended to halt massed enemy advances, The Davy Crockett was ultimately retired due to concerns about its practicality and the risk of exposing friendly forces to radiation. Its existence is a stark reminder of how far nations were willing to go in their quest for battlefield superiority. The railgun, though still experimental, represents the cutting edge of military technology. Unlike traditional firearms, which use chemical propellants, the railgun relies on electromagnetic forces to accelerate projectiles to speeds exceeding Mach 7. This incredible velocity allows the railgun to achieve ranges far beyond conventional artillery and deliver devastating kinetic energy. While the technology is still being refined, its potential to revolutionize naval and ground warfare is undeniable. A weapon that combines range, speed, and precision, the railgun may one day redefine how wars are fought. Big Bertha was a 420mm howitzer developed by Germany during World War I. With a barrel length of over 16 feet and a range of 8 miles, it was a marvel of engineering at the time. Big Bertha's massive shells could penetrate concrete fortifications and devastate enemy positions, making it a critical asset during the early stages of the war. However, its enormous size and weight made it difficult to transport, and advances in counter-battery fire eventually diminished its effectiveness. Nevertheless, it remains an enduring symbol of early 20th century artillery innovation. The Paris gun was another German innovation that shocked the world during World War I. With a barrel nearly 34 meters long, this massive artillery piece could fire shells over 130 kilometers, far enough to reach Paris from behind German lines. Although its accuracy was limited, the psychological impact on Parisian civilians was profound. The Paris gun was a precursor to modern long-range artillery and missile systems, demonstrating the potential of strategic bombardment. Schwerer Gustav, the largest railway gun ever built, was Germany's answer to heavily fortified enemy positions during World War II. Weighing over 1,250 tons and capable of firing 7-ton shells over 47 kilometers, this colossal weapon was a feat of engineering. Despite its immense firepower, Schwerer Gustav was ultimately a logistical nightmare, requiring thousands of men to operate and weeks to deploy. It saw limited use during the war but remains an iconic example of super-heavy artillery. The TOW-S1 heavy flamethrower system, also known as the Buratino, is one of the most terrifying weapons in modern warfare. This Russian multiple rocket launcher fires thermobaric rockets, which create massive explosions and deadly pressure waves. These weapons are particularly effective against fortifications and enemy concentrations. The TOW-S1's devastating power has been used in conflicts from Afghanistan to Syria, cementing its reputation as a weapon of unmatched destructive capability. Finally, we have the Kh-47M2 Kinzhal, a Russian hypersonic missile that has redefined modern warfare. Capable of reaching speeds over Mach 10 and traveling up to 2,000 kilometers, the Kinzhal is virtually unstoppable by current missile defense systems. Let these examples of military might inspire both awe and caution as we continue to navigate the complex realities of the 21st century. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible insights into military history and technology.